Hi again, and thank you so much for making your way here to Food Forest University. This is Tutu Sainz, co-creator of Aloha Food Forest in Vista, California, blogger at alohafoodforest.com, and author of the book Our Path to Infinite Abundance, Introduction to Food Forests. I also created this course for you. And in this course, you'll learn the 8 steps you need to take in the proper order to grow a food forest garden. This is a low-risk, high-reward program based on permaculture teachings and my experience over 9 years of living in a food forest. This will put you years ahead of where you would be if you had to start learning this from scratch, because all the methods and tools in this course are successful and stand the test of time. You'll have access to the course from any device at any time as needed for reference, whether in your own backyard or at a client's property. Whatever step you are on or whatever questions you may have in the process, you'll find inspired answers throughout the course. In each of these steps, you'll have the opportunity to ask a question or make a comment at the end of each quiz to get clarification on the subject if you need it. Once you learn these steps, you'll know how to create food forests and help others create food forests. This is the beginning of food freedom, health freedom, and financial freedom for all of us on planet Earth. Also, you can earn a certificate of completion after passing all the quizzes with a score of 80% or better. So you can use this course to create your infinitely abundant streams of food from your yard, or use the certificate on your resume to get a job, or create a food forest business using the knowledge you gain to offer your services to your community to help create more food forests for more food independence. There will never be a time when people don't need food. Be sure to click on the Materials tab to collect your amazing free bonus materials. There are your planting guide worksheet to help you plan out your garden, and several bonus ebooks to get you inspired about growing food forests. I'm so excited to help you grow your own backyard food forest, and whether you have a small or large piece of land, you can scale it to fit. So click on the purple button above this video that says "Take this course" to enroll. Enter your first and last name and email address to create your account. The system will email you in a few minutes, and then you can start digging into all the information you need to build your very own infinitely abundant food forest. And I'll see you in the course.